Hi, my name is Alexander Riggs, and the tool that I'm going to be showing you guys today is called Magicschool. I have never used this app before, but I found it very interesting in this week's module, so I wanted to take a deeper dive into it. You are going to need Wi-Fi for this tool. Pull up any internet browser. I prefer Google Chrome, and you're just going to type in Magicschool, all one word. And in your Google search, it is going to be this first one right here. And when you click on this, you are going to see this screen. You're going to get a login or a sign up for free. I've already taken a dive into this tool and really liked it, so I already have a login. But when you sign up for free, you're going to get this screen right here, and it's going to go through your profile and kind of your role in education and the grades and subjects you teach. And then once you have filled this out, you'll go to the home page. So on mine, this is the home page. It takes you straight to the Magic Tools homepage. It is a little overwhelming at first because they offer over 50 tools, and this is the list of all of them. But once you take a look, read through them, do a little investigation on which ones you think could be useful, and you find useful, you just star them. Once you star them, they go up here into your favorites. So I've starred these 5. One that kind of stood out to me that I could see high schoolers using a lot is the quote of the day. A lot of high school teachers have bell work or some prompt up on the board or a quote of the day, and this just gives you suggestions of quotes on a topic or unit that you're teaching with not a lot of time put into it. But the main one that we are going to be talking about today is the YouTube video question. I use YouTube video tutorials a lot in my classes. I teach art, and they just do a great job of showing some techniques to the whole class rather than the class surrounding me and watching my hands, and some kids can't see or hear me. So this video questions about the video really keeps them engaged. So what you're going to do is, if you want to start with any of this, you're just going to click on it. So for this one, you're going to put your grade level that you're teaching. Then you're going to put your choice of questions. There's free response, true, false, multiple choice. I tend to go to multiple choice, number of questions, and then you're going to copy and paste the URL. And then it's going to generate questions for you. I have already done this over a future lesson that I want to implement Magicschool into. And so how you find your old things that you've already made is you're going to go over here to the left-hand side. And remember, Magic Tools was the home page. You're going to go to your output history. When you go to your output history, it's going to put everything that you've searched or looked at, anything, and it's dated. So I did the facial proportions little YouTube video. And what I did was she made 3 questions and answers, and then there's an answer key at the bottom. The most important thing about this answer key is it puts in there the timestamps of when this answer is said in the video, in the question. This is a great form of evidence to support the SAMR model. Under argumentation, since I'm using technology, the YouTube video, and this questionnaire, and replacing a physical demonstration in front of students and questions afterwards, this shows functional improvement because I can see in the timestamp in which questions they answered incorrectly. And say my last question, the time length, see it's like 6 minutes into it. Maybe this video is too long and my students really missed question 3. I can say, oh my gosh, I need to find a new video that's shorter. My kids can't keep focused for that long of a time. So it's providing evidence to back up your video and if it is appropriate or not appropriate for your grade level and content. Now, under here, when you have your quiz made, there's an export button. This is really handy. There is a Google Forms export button. This is a new feature in Magicschool, and I know a lot of schools have switched over to Google Forms, but there's also many other options. To save this, you're going to go to the More, and you're going to save the resource. When you hit this, you're going to title your resource, and I'll show you where it goes since I've already saved this one. You're going to go back over to your output history. And then you're going to go over to resources, because this quiz is now a resource for you. And then you can see which ones I've kind of like messed around and played with. And there is over here your resource, and with the answer key, which obviously goes away when you export it. But overall, this really touches on the Bloom's taxonomy of understand. So it's helping your kids identify answers in a quiz, locate the main points that you want them to understand, and pull from the YouTube video. But overall, I just really like this tool. It has a lot of features that can be personalized per your content and grade level. But I hope you guys use Magicschool in the future, and maybe this future coming school year. It's really helpful and really easy and user-friendly once you just kind of look through all the options it has to offer. Thank you.